Hi, this is Tommy from Systems for Dentists, and in this video I'll demonstrate how you're able to set up and use merge fields in order to insert standard text into documents that your practice create. You may have standard text that you want to use in more than one document, for example information and advice about a particular treatment. By setting up merge fields, you're able to effectively reuse this text in multiple documents. So the first thing I need to do is to set up a category for the merge text. To do this, select the tooth icon, Setup, then select Merge Fields. In this window you can see the different categories that have been set up. I'll select New to set up a new category for bridges. Save this, then close the Merge Field window. Next, I'll create some text that can be merged into a letter or document. To do this, I'll select the Merge Text button. You can see that a blank document is opened. You can enter the required text as well as place images in here. You can also format the text if required. I'll enter some example text about bridges. When you're happy with the text, click Save. You then need to select the category that the text relates to. I'll select the bridges category that I set up. You need to give it a meaningful name and then click OK to save it. Repeat this process for other merge items and fields that you require. I'll add items with information on bridges. Next, I'll demonstrate how these merge fields can be added to your document templates. From Setup, I'll access Documents. I'll click Open and then open a document template. You can see that this template already includes merge fields to insert the patient's name, address and dentist details as well as today's date. To add the merge text that I set up, click in the document where I'd like this to appear and I'll click the Merge button at the top of the screen and go down to Custom. You can see that the bridge field that I set up earlier can be selected. I'll save the changes made to this document template. Now, to demonstrate how the merge fields work when creating a document for a patient, I'll search for and open a patient record. I'll select letters and then click to create a new letter. I'll select the template that I edited. As the document is created, you can see that the different items of text associated with the merge field that I added are now available. I can select the one I want and click OK to insert this text. Note that you are also able to insert merge fields into any document that you create for a patient. Simply select the Merge button at the top of the screen. If I go down to Custom, I can select one of the custom merge fields and then select the specific text to insert this into the document. Thanks very much for watching this video. For additional videos as well as useful FAQ how-to guides, please see our website.